Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Creative English Conversations. I'm Noah, and I'm here with Eva.
Hi, Noah. It's great to be back. Hello to all our listeners. In our last episode, we had a lot of fun talking about our morning routines.
That's right, we found out that I'm more of a night owl and you're an early bird. And we promised that this episode's topic would be a delicious one: favorite snacks.
Yes, I have been looking forward to this. So let's jump right in. Noah, are you more of a sweet snacker or a savory snacker?
Ooh, that's a great starting question. I think I have to say savory. I just love anything salty and crunchy. You know, a bag of crisps, some pretzels, or salted nuts. What about you?
Oh, I am 100% on the sweet side. I definitely have a sweet tooth.
A sweet tooth. That's a perfect phrase for our listeners. Why don't you explain what it means?
I'd love to. If you say you have a sweet tooth, it means you have a strong liking for sweet foods. Things like chocolate, cookies, cakes, candy, anything with sugar, really.
That makes perfect sense. So, what's your favorite sweet snack? What's your go-to?
My go-to is probably a classic chocolate chip cookie, especially if it's warm and soft. And go-to is another great term. It just means your favorite, most reliable choice, the one you pick most often.
Exactly. But what about when you get a sudden, really strong desire for a very specific food? Like you feel you just have to have it right now.
Ah, you're talking about a craving.
That's the word. A craving. I sometimes get a crazy craving for salty French fries.
Right, and French fries are a perfect example of a savory snack. That's our other keyword for today. Savory describes foods that are salty or spicy, not sweet.
So, even though you have a sweet tooth, what's a savory snack you really enjoy?
I do love popcorn, especially when watching a movie. But if I'm being really honest, my absolute favorite snack in the world is ice cream. It's my guilty pleasure.
The guilty pleasure. I think everyone has one of those. So, a guilty pleasure is something you enjoy a lot, even though you feel a little bit guilty or bad about it, usually because it's unhealthy.
That's it exactly. I know that eating a big bowl of mint chocolate chip ice cream isn't the healthiest choice, but sometimes it just makes me happy. What about you, Noah? What's your guilty pleasure?
For me, it's a big plate of nachos, loaded with melted cheese, jalapenos, and sour cream. Not healthy in any way, but so good.
Okay, that sounds amazing. Now I have a craving for nachos. But we should probably talk about some healthy snacks too, to be balanced.
Good point. My healthy go-to is probably some Greek yogurt with berries and a little bit of honey.
That's a great choice. I like apple slices with peanut butter. It's sweet, a little bit savory, and keeps me full.
Well, this has been a very tasty conversation, Eva. I'm actually getting hungry now.
Me too. Let's quickly recap the great words and phrases we talked about today. We had sweet tooth, savory, go-to, craving, and guilty pleasure.
And now we have a question for all of you listening. What is your go-to snack? And is it a guilty pleasure?
Yes, let us know. You can find us on our social media channels. We absolutely love reading your comments and learning about you.
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for joining us for another Creative English Conversation.
Join us next time when we'll be talking all about our favorite hobbies. Until then, keep practicing.
Bye for now.